Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to lock application on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open security menu on your device. And then here you can scroll down and then you can select app lock. Okay, and then click turn on here. And then draw an unlock pattern and then confirm it as before. Okay, and then press use app lock. Okay, after that, here you can select any application you want to lock. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to lock application on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.